Hi guys, it is Hardware.info and today I have OnePlus 12R and I want to show you how to add remove magnification on this device. To do that we must open settings application, no weather settings, and there we look for additional settings selection. There accessibility and now vision, where we have our magnification off. To turn on it we press there and now switch on. Confirm by OK, and we have our shortcut, which position we can easily change by tap there and swipe on the screen, or we can delete it. To zoom our screen we press on it and single tap on our screen. We can easily change position of our zoom using 2 fingers and swipe. To turn off it we press again on our shortcut. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye!